The principles of oneness are really very simple, but what is important is it must be correctly understood. If correctly understood, it will work. If not correctly understood, it won't work. What oneness says is, suppose there is no love, don't try to get love. If you say I want love, you are not going to get it, because the truth is there is no love. When there is no love, by simply saying I must have love, you won't get it. Why you are not having love is because of basically 7 factors. First factor is what happened in past lives. That's 1. 2. What happened at the moment of conception. 3. What happened while in the womb. 4th, what happened when the delivery began. 5th is actual delivery, what happened then. 6th is up to age 6 years, what all events happened in your life. And 7th is what happened after 6. So all this constitutes what we call the program or your fate. Because of that, you may not have love. Because of that, you may have anger. Because of that, you may be a failure. All things in your life are controlled by this program. Now, how to solve the problem? One way is to take Amma Bhagwan's grace and to see where the problem is. You can actually see where the problem is and ask Amma Bhagwan to set it right. That is one way. The other way is, which you can practice at home. What is the fact you must see? I have no love. You must stay with that fact, that's all. I have no love. I have no love. You must not try to move away from that. Now, whenever there is a problem, what do? You take a newspaper or magazine, or you go to a movie or cell phone, talk to your friends, and you escape out of that. Or you keep thinking about something else. What oneness says is, simply stay there. Stay in the truth. That is, I have no love. You can do this up to a point. Then you cannot do anything. Even staying with also becomes difficult. At that point, you must take a Diksha. Now, if you do that, all things will start happening automatically. That is, the program will be set right automatically, maybe without you even seeing that. And you slowly discover love is coming. Anger is gone. Jealousy is gone. Conflict is gone. Everything will change. But if you try to change, nothing will happen. Because that is a lie. That is not the truth. You don't have love. You simply can't be saying, let me love, let me love. Nothing will happen. Similarly, fear. You cannot say, let me become fearless. Truth is fear. There's tremendous fear. Fear about what will happen to your business, your job, your child's education, or your daughter's wedding. So many kinds of fears. Your own health. So all that you must do is, you must say yes. Sit there. Like you have seen a hen sitting on an egg. You must sit on that. And that sitting is the first step. And that sitting is the last step. Oneness is over. There are no other steps in oneness. First step is also the last step. Just stay with the what is. That's all. Take Diksha. Everything will happen automatically. Like the egg being hatched, you suddenly find love coming, fear going away. Not that you are trying to do. You should not do anything. If you do, nothing will happen. You must only embrace that fact and stay there. Only extra thing is Diksha. Everything else is, please remember, automatic. That is the teaching. The first step is the last step.